In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to System Settings. And on System Settings, we're gonna scroll down all the way down to System. On System, we're gonna scroll down all the way down again. We're going to Data Clear Options. And on Data Clear Options, we're gonna go down to Restore Factory Settings. We're going to click on it. We're going to click on Next. I'm going to click again on Next. And then it says Restore Factory Settings. And we're going to click on that. And right here it says Factory Settings Restored. System about shutting off. And guys, if you open your Nintendo Switch again, if you open your Nintendo Switch again, you will need to set it up again. So that is how you factory reset your Nintendo Switch